You are worthy. You're worthy of existence. You're worthy of love. You're worthy of laughter, not due to any particular thing that you do or thing about you, just simply because you exist. The fact that you exist, if indeed you do, I guess we might all be imagining our own existence. And that's something to contemplate, isn't it? But even then, the fact that you are imagined must mean you're worthy of existing to whatever extent you do exist. And there's nothing that you have to do, there's nothing you have to achieve, there's no marker. It's just birth and death, basically. So you're worthy of that. And as far as love and laughter and all those wonderful things that we love to get in life, you're also worthy of those. The thing is, if you're not getting as much of that as you'd like, it may be because of your expectations, your alignment, your thoughts. And please don't misunderstand, that does not mean that if you're being abused or neglected that you deserve that exactly. However, it does mean that you have some control over what you're getting, over how you feel about things. So even take that extreme case, say you're being neglected or abused. Once you realize that your own happiness, that your own worth is yours, is internal, and no one can take that from you, then you can start to feel better even in some really shitty circumstances. And the thing about feeling better in shitty circumstances is that everything is temporary, everything is transitory. And if you teach yourself to start feeling better, even when circumstances are not optimal, you're going to find circumstances will begin to improve. I guarantee you, because the whole universe is lining up with you, is bringing you what you're getting ready for. And I think it's easy to get overwhelmed by the totality of it all because we've got generations of momentum. We've got a whole civilization with its own momentum. So you're not the only creator in this universe, in this life, but you are a co-creator. We all are. And you have a lot more control over how you feel and then what you get than you probably might think you do. I know sometimes it's hard to believe, especially if you're not getting what you think you want. However, I can tell you, as a person who has suffered plenty, struggled plenty, and also enjoyed plenty, that it's possible. Even if you're stuck in a negative thought pattern, all you have to do is recognize that and then decide that you care about how you feel and that you're going to give yourself what you're worth, which is love and attention and compassion. Once you decide that you can give that to yourself and that no one else is in control of your happiness, then you will find people actually showing up wanting to make you happier. It's a phenomenal thing. The universe will be conspiring to bring you joy and happiness instead of conspiring to make you miserable and frustrated, as it may sometimes seem. And that's because that's what you might have been getting ready for. If you've been thinking pessimistically, which if you watch any television or regular media, you will find that our society is largely driven, marketing is largely driven by tapping into your fears and your insecurities and kind of creating this drone of people talking about their problems and what's wrong and what needs to be better and how they wish things were better. If you fall into that trap, don't beat yourself up. You're not alone. It kind of seems to be the majority right now in that trap. However, know that you can remove yourself from that trap. You can step up. You can step out. You can pull yourself up by your own bootstraps and feel better. You can remember that you are worthy of love, that you are worthy of life, that you are worthy of laughter. Give yourself a smile. Give yourself a good feeling thought and then drive forward. That's my 2 cents for right now. Don't forget you're worthy. Don't forget to give yourself the love that you are worthy of. Don't forget to take care of yourself, give yourself a break, give yourself some entertainment, give yourself a smile, give yourself a little dance, give your body some movement, give your body some nourishment, give and receive the love that you know you want, that you're worthy of. Till next time. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment. If you'll give me a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. I'd love to know if there's a topic that you would like me to cover. Please let me know in the comments. And question of the day, what do you do to show yourself how worthy you are, how much you love yourself? I just went and got my hair cut, and a couple days before that I went and got a massage. Those are some examples of ways that I show myself that I'm worthy and that I love myself. I'd love to know what you're doing to show yourself that you're worthy and how much you love yourself. And until next time, prosperity, positivity, and playfulness.